Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It is crazy. It's super dark outside.
It's nighttime, spooky.
It's like midnight. We have all of the lights on outside. No one can sleep. The kids got spooked by something in the house earlier today and they like refused to go to sleep. So we're trying to get their energy out. We are outside in the yard and I'm about to hide some of their monster trucks in the yard and we're going to have a late night spooky monster truck scavenger hunt. So they have to close their eyes in a second so that I can hide some monster trucks. You guys have to go inside for 2 minutes. Ready? 1, 2, go. Close the door. Okay. I'm gonna start hiding the monster trucks. So let's see where we can get them. We have some grass here and we're gonna put grave digger in here. We got one in there. Where do you guys think we should hide the other ones? I'm making sure they're not cheating. We've got 2 black ones. So we got Batman ones. So we have to put them in like a really dark space. Let me see if I can go put them by the fence. Hold on. Right here. Let's see. This is super creepy over here. Oh my gosh. I think they're gonna be scared. Let's see. We're gonna put. Okay. I honestly don't think they're ever gonna find these. So I will be shocked if they do. Okay, we've got 2 Maxties, and these are orange and silver. So where can we put these? What do you guys think? I'll show you around the yard. I totally found a spot. I think by the grill. Let's see. Okay. One here. Yes. Last one, and I'm really thinking this has to be hard. What could we do? Oh, I have a good idea. I think up here. Oh my God, you guys look. This, I don't think they're gonna find any of these. I think this is the best hiding that we've ever done, and I'm gonna give them a prize. Whoever finds the most, or if it's a tie even, they'll get $10. You guys, we are ready. We hid 4 monster trucks. Let me tell you.
Guess what?
What?
Just so I don't get spooked that night, I got some squirt.
Ooh. Okay.
Yeah.
So here are the rules. Here are the rules. We took 4 mini monster trucks. That means they are high and they are low, meaning they can be up somewhere or they can be on the floor somewhere. And they're hidden really, really well. And whoever finds the most will get $10. But there are 4. So what happens if you find 2 and Lucian finds 2? Then you guys have to split the jackpot and you guys get $5 each. Okay? So there's 4 monster trucks. Hold on. I'm gonna go with one person first.
Wait, I need to get my shoes on. Plus, she looked. No.
You looked?
No, I was like looking out here and I didn't see you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Someone was cheating.
No, I didn't. From here. No, Mom, I didn't see you. I actually didn't. I was looking and I saw you disappear and I thought you disappeared.
Just like that, poof.
Yeah, like that.
Oh yeah?
You turned into a ghost.
Am I a ghost? Am I a ghost?
I didn't see you.
Okay, I'm gonna run with first.
Paper, scissors.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. First of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Your turn.
Okay. You get like 1 minute to try and find something. Ready? Let's go.
She definitely looked.
Okay. Did you find it?
Is it here?
No?
I found 2.
Okay, but now those aren't the ones. This is really good. Hey, this is gonna be super hard.
But she found 2? Yeah.
Remember, high and low. Do you know what that means?
Yeah. Well, she already found.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all right, you didn't find anything yet. Now it's Lucian's
Wait,
turn.
after this is there one more round if you don't find
Of course.
2, 1, go. There's definitely something here. Turn on your flashlight.
Nope.
Turn on your flashlight. Go. I got one.
Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one?
I'm Batman.
Okay, so you got one. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. Do you see anything in here?
Not
No.
in the secret P area.
Okay.
Oh, there's gotta be something here. Are you whispering to the camera?
No.
Okay, good.
Okay, we're running out of time soon.
I have 40 more seconds.
No, you have like 20.
Is there any here? No. What's this say? No.
Okay, all right, we're running out of time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Emilka.
Alright.
Ready? Emilka, you're super hot. Next to it. You're super hot.
What does that mean?
That mean, so cold means you're far from it, and hot means you're really close. You're colder. Colder. Now colder for sure. Cold, cold, even colder. Even colder.
40 more seconds.
Cold, cold, cold. Cold, cold, cold. Amika, you were hot over here. You should probably. No, 30. Oh! Okay, so 1 and 1. Now you have like 15 more seconds to go try and find another one.
Tell me hot or cold. Mom.
Hot, 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 cold, hot, hot, cold, cold, warmer, 9, 8,
Tell me
7, cold, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Lucian, ready? Okay. Okay, you're hot. Kind of cool. Cool, 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 cool. Definitely cold, 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 cold. Hot and cold. 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 Warmer. Remember, high and low, high and low.
Wait, high and low. Thanks you.
We got it.
Thanks you.
Okay, you still have 30 more seconds.
How much? Hot or cold?
Cold.
Wait.
Cold. Cold. 20 seconds. Cold. Cold, cold, cold. Cold. Definitely cold. Cold. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6.
Tell me hot.
Cold, cold. 5, 4, 3, 2, cold. 1. All right, Amelia's turn. Okay, Amelia. Warmer. Warmer. No, cold. Warmer. 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 Hot, hot, hot. That's a little chilly cold. Warmer, warmer, warmer. Cold. Cold. Hot, 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 hot. Hot. Cooler. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Colder, Emilka. Cold, cold. 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 Somewhere down, somewhere down, somewhere down. Oh, hot, super hot, super hot, super hot. Burning hot, burning hot. You got 20 seconds, you got 20 seconds. Burning hot, burning hot. Oh, burning hot, burning hot. Did you get it? You got it, let's see. Okay, we got on this spooky challenge, you got how many points?
5.
You got 2 points. That means how many dollars?
5.
$5. And
Since we got tie, so can we get
but you know what that means? A tie means
another round?
a tie means $5 and $5.
No, actually.
I think that's
Do another round. I want to win the $10.
Oh, okay. Stop. Points you got? 2. 2. So you get $5.
Guys, actually, I want to do one.
Hold on.
Guys, can we make a can we do the, so we just did the spooky challenge. Now I could do a video. If you want to see me do gymnastics right now, it's mix one, then part of this spooky challenge.
Do a part 2 to this video is, do we let him continue on and find the monster truck and so he can get the $10, or do we cut it off here? And is this, or do they get $5 and $5 a piece? I vote for 5 and 5. You guys let us know.
Guys,
We can do a part 2. And let us know on some of our other short videos if you guys want to see Emilia's gymnastics, because she is amazing.
Here, can I show you?
Okay, let's see your special gymnastics. What is that? Is that, wow, oh my god, you're like the best. Good job.
And I could do it on the beam.
You could?
First, let me show you my handstand, my split, and
Good job. Wow, that is the greatest.
Now let me show you this.
Okay, let's see. Wow.
Guys, want to know a secret about our family?
What?
When we're not recording, our family's crazy.
I think crazy number 1, crazy number 2.
Subscribe for part 3 if we could record us doing Nintendo.
Ooh.
Nintendo.
Nintendo challenge.
I'm going to name our video the 3 seasons.
Okay.
Because one season right now, and then gymnastic 2, and then
Nintendo 3.
Like and subscribe, or if you do, you will get all these games, especially these users, Lucian and Emilia, extra your mom.
Guys, come back tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe. This channel was kind of short.
I just want to see Emilia's superb
I'm gonna
gymnastics.
practice gymnastics right now.
We are going to do a gymnastics special, right?
When I'm competing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to check that video out. See you later. Smell you later.